In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add this dust overlay effect. So here's the before, after. Now let's go to our stock images, and here's the one I'm going to use. If you want to download this dust image, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm going to drag this, drop it on top, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom out, hold Shift and Alt, bring the size of this up, say about right there, hit Enter, and I'm going to go ahead and group this. I'm going to change the blending mode to multiply. And right now you can see it's a little bit too dark, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, let's add a levels adjustment, and let's brighten up the highlights. Now select the group, I'm just name this dust. Go down here, create a mask. So here's the cool part. Let's go to our main image. I'm hold Shift, actually Control and Shift, select the main image. And let's go locate the shovel. So here's the shovel head. I'm going to do Control Shift, select that. It will make a selection. And let's do the same for the dirt right there. Same thing, Control Shift. And I'm select all the dirt right there. Now let's go to our folder, the dust folder. And we can fill it in with black. I'm just do Control I to invert it. Control D to deselect. So here's the cool part. When you drag this, the white powder, you can move it anywhere you want. So that's the cool thing about having it inside the folder. Say you want to reveal more on this side, just go ahead and make a copy of the powder. So I'm going to do Control J, and I'm going to change this to, let's do lighten. Now you can drag this, because there's two layers, right? So there's that one, and then there's this one. So you can drag it, reveal more right there, or right kind of like that. I think I like that. That looks dope. You could even resize it. Control T, hold Shift, bring the size down. So with the folder, there's a endless possibility. There's like different ways you could create this effect. So that's how you add the dust overlay effect.